I'm Katie Jobling. I'm an artist and YouTuber based in England. My ideal setup is actually quite simple. I'm based around an area with lots of natural light, which is really important whilst I'm painting. And I also use a microphone, a camera and my laptop to capture all my content. For me, the StreamCam and the Yeti X make the ideal setup because you can record really professional video and sound. I really love how simple and easy it is to add your own customization to your videos with the visuals and the audio. It means that you can really put your own stamp on your content. Being an artist, colour is really important for me. So when a camera can pick up those vivid colours, it can really show the viewer exactly what it is they're working towards. The StreamCam and the Yeti X fit in so well with my space because they're not big and bulky, and I feel like they really complement my studio. What started out from me just sharing my passion with other people has now grown into a community where we can all paint together.